To manage Android devices with full efficiency, using Android Enterprise is well advised. With Android Enterprise, you can enroll your devices in 3 different modes: fully managed with work profile, and work profile mode. We will explain more about these 3 modes later in the video series. Android Enterprise makes it possible to purchase and pre-configure applications from the managed Google Play Store, a corporate app store. The QR code below links to the Android Enterprise website, where you can also find listings of devices most suitable for modern device management. To activate Android Enterprise, go to your infrastructure diagram here on the bottom left, scroll down and choose Managed Google Play Enterprise, and click on Enroll. To keep this video brief, we have completed the sign-up process in advance. When you are signing up, please use an account that is associated with your business, not a personal account. And note that this does not need to be a Gmail account. Once you've completed the sign-up, you'll return automatically to this page view. Android Enterprise has now been activated.